Ready to weave some digital magic? Let's craft a gorgeous custom plaid pattern from scratch in Procreate. First, open Procreate and create a new canvas. A square canvas works best for repeating patterns, so let's choose a size like 2000 by 2000 pixels. Select a vibrant color I'm using a deep red and a monoline brush. Now, carefully draw a straight horizontal line across your canvas. Hold your pencil down at the end to snap the line perfectly straight. Duplicate this layer by swiping left on the layer and tapping duplicate. Use the move tool the arrow icon to nudge the duplicated line down a little bit, creating a stripe. Keep duplicating and moving the lines, varying the spacing between them to create different stripe widths. This adds visual interest to your plaid. Don't worry about perfection, slight variations add character. Now for the magic. Group all your red stripe layers together by dragging each layer on top of the other. Then, duplicate that group with the move tool still selected. Tap the rotate option at the bottom and rotate it exactly 90 degrees. This creates a grid of intersecting lines. Change the blend mode of this new group to multiply. This will allow the colors to interact and create darker areas where the lines overlap, giving the plaid its characteristic look. Create a new layer below your red grid groups. Choose a different color Let's go with a vibrant blue. Repeat the stripe creation process, drawing horizontal and vertical lines as we did before. Remember to vary the stripe widths and spacing. And there you have it. A beautiful custom plaid pattern ready to be used in your artwork or design projects. Experiment with different colors, stripe widths, and blend modes to create endless variations. Don't forget to subscribe for more Procreate tutorials.